Another big mover today is Twitter. After posting a big beat on earnings, on pace for the best day since October of 2017. Let's get to Julia Boorstin, who sat down with the CFO earlier and has some highlights from that conversation. Hi, Julia. What a day.
What a day, Carl. We see that stock flying higher, and it's really on the big surprise that Twitter grew its users faster than expected. Now, what Twitter calls its monetizable daily active users grew by 11%, while its monthly user number actually returned to growth after declining for every single quarter over the past year. Twitter CFO Ned Segal telling me that this points to Twitter's work to improve the platform paying off, which could continue to grow the company's user base going forward.
It's our job to provide a great product experience for people so that they find what they're looking for when they get there and that they come back more frequently. We did a lot to improve relevance around the home timeline. We did a lot to improve relevance in the notifications that bring people back to Twitter. And we saw real benefit from that this quarter, as well as the ongoing marketing that we do.
Now, Twitter did beat expectations on both the bottom and the top line, though the company did guide that revenue growth will slow. Segal telling me that the company has plenty more room to both get more consumers to spend more time on the platform and also to bring on more advertisers and to get them to spend more.
When we look at the experience for the people who use the service, we know there's a ton more we can do to make it easier to find the things you're looking for, to make you feel comfortable being a part of the conversation. And we're just getting started with advertisers as well, where they really understand the benefits of launching new products and services on Twitter, where they really understand the benefits of connecting with what's happening. But there's so much more that we can do to help them on the service as well.
With growing expectations of regulation around the world, both of data privacy as well as offensive content, Segal says they're definitely open to sensible regulation and are working with regulators around the world that they're prepared for more regulation. Take a listen.
There's been regulation already in certain places. GDPR is a great example of it in Europe, where the new policies were rolled out in May of last year. We worked hard to be ready for the deadline, to be transparent in the changes that we've made, and we were pleased that it had no impact to the revenue or the income statement.
Speaking of regulation, just this morning, President Trump tweeted, "No wonder Congress wants to get involved, and they should." Speaking of Twitter, he says he thinks the platform is biased.